English for hotels. How to check in without making mistakes. Level A1 to A2. Have you ever felt nervous at a hotel reception? Don't worry.
Today, we will show you exactly what to say, step by step.
You will learn simple, clear phrases to check in without mistakes.
We will speak slowly, so you can repeat with us.
Let's go.
Part 1. Arriving at the hotel.
Hi, I have a reservation.
What is your name, please?
My name is David Smith.
Yes, I see your reservation. You have a double room for 2 nights.
That's correct.
Can I see your passport, please?
Here you go.
Practice. Repeat after us.
I have a reservation.
What is your name, please?
Can I see your passport, please? Here you go. Part 2. Asking about the room. What floor is my room?
Your room is on the 5th floor, room 512.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, it's next to the reception.
Does the room have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi. The password is on the key card.
Is there a mini fridge?
Yes, it's in the room.
Great. Thank you.
Practice. Repeat after us.
What floor is my room? Your room is on the 5th floor. Is there an elevator? Does the room have Wi-Fi? Pause the video. Quick question. What floor is David's room?
Think about it. Say the answer out loud.
Great. The answer is the 5th floor. Let's continue.
Part 3. Asking about services.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it's included in your room price.
Where is the breakfast room?
It's on the 1st floor next to the reception.
Do you have a gym?
Yes, the gym is on the 2nd floor.
Great. Can I use the pool?
Of course. It's open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
What time is breakfast? Is breakfast included? Do you have a gym? Can I use the pool? Part 4. Making a change. Excuse me, can I change my room?
Of course. What's the problem?
My room is too noisy. There is street noise.
I understand. Let me check for another room.
Thank you.
I have a room on the top floor. It's very quiet.
That's perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here is your new key, room 812.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
Can I change my room?
My room is too noisy.
I have a room on the top floor.
Thank you so much. Pause the video. Quick question. What was the problem with David's room?
Think about it. Say the answer out loud.
Great. The answer is it was too noisy. Let's continue.
Part 5. Checking out. Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning. What is your room number?
Room 812.
Here is your bill.
How much is it?
It's $240.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Everything was great.
We are happy to hear that. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
I'd like to check out, please.
How much is it?
Can I pay by card?
Have a safe trip.
Full conversation.
Let's practice the whole conversation.
Hi, I have a reservation.
What is your name, please?
David Smith.
Can I see your passport?
Here you go.
Here is your key. Room 512.
What time is breakfast?
From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is.
Great. Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Goodbye. Final practice. All key phrases.
Let's repeat the most important sentences.
Listen and repeat. I have a reservation. What is your name, please?
Can I see your passport?
What floor is my room?
Is breakfast included?
Can I change my room?
I'd like to check out, please.
Can I pay by card? Great job today.
Now you can check in at a hotel with confidence.
Remember, speak clearly and don't worry about mistakes.
Practice these phrases before your next trip.
Tell us in the comments, what is the most important thing for you in a hotel?
Subscribe for more English lessons.
See you next time.
Bye!